In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to a video using Grok Imagine AI. This process is simple and a fantastic way to add a new dimension to your creative projects. So, let's dive in and see how you can transform your static images into dynamic videos using Grok Imagine AI. To start with, you'll first need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on Google, head over to the search bar and type in Grok. This will bring up several search results, but what you're looking for specifically is the Grok website. When you spot the correct link in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Once the Grok homepage loads up, the next step is to find and click on the Imagine section. This section is pivotal because it hosts the tools you'll need to execute the image-to-video conversion process. After selecting Imagine, you should see a page with several options. You need to look for the clip icon, which is generally used for uploading content. Click on this to upload the image you want to convert into a video. Make sure your chosen photo is the right format and meets the site's upload requirements to avoid any hiccups. With your image uploaded, the next step is quite straightforward. You'll look for an option labeled Make Video. Clicking on this button initiates the magic. Grok Imagine AI will handle the heavy lifting, transforming your still image into a flowing video. And just like that, you're done. You've transformed an image into a video using Grok Imagine AI, opening up new possibilities for presentations, social media content, or the digital storytelling endeavors you might be planning. Remember, the key to getting the most out of the platform is experimentation. Try uploading different types of images to see how Grok Imagine AI's algorithms animate various features and styles. This process is simple and intuitive once you're familiar with the platform, but don't hesitate to explore the settings or adjustments Grok might offer to personalize your video even further. With this newfound skill, you're now equipped to enhance your visual content in a unique and captivating way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy creating, and see you in our next video.